Easy to assemble. The CHINOOK Hitch mount bike racks instructions are easy to follow. Once installed, you can load and unload the rack to the vehicle in under 2 minutes. Convenient. Bike rack tilts down to allow access to rear of vehicle effortlessly. Saves you time and energy for more biking smiley face. Worry-free security. Have peace of mind knowing that the adjustable locking ratchet hooks are securing the frame to the rack. Versatile. Easily transports up to 2 bikes and is compatible with a Class 2 or higher, 1/4 and 2 hitch receiver. Fits most frame sizes, shapes and style, fits 12 to 29 tire sizes. Maxium weight capacity of 45 ibs per bike. Locking hitch pin included. Top reviews from the United States. Solid. Nice. They had video on Amazon for assembly paper direction not helpful, but after done very easy. This third bike rack and by far the best. Much easier than I could imagine to load and unload bike. Fits my 2022 Lexus 450 RXH perfectly. After I spent $1,300 for the Hitch Tears of Joy, now got figure out how to shut off ICS, and now can't use foot to open rear hatch. Not Swagger fault. For the price can't imagine spending any more or getting any more benefits for the money. Another reason bought was for the locks, very easy to use and seem very secure. It's so easy and very sturdy. Especially wheel straps.